Now motor is running. You can see this is showing the frequency of the digital meter is frequency of this. With this frequency, there's RPM gauge, digital RPM gauge is showing 905 RPM. So you can take a reading of this with this frequency. There is a 905 RPM, and motor is running. You can see by this motor is running with this speed. So induction motor is running, and this is a sensor, speed sensor. This is a speed sensor is sensing the speed of the induction machine. Now slowly we'll increase the frequency, and with this you can see the speed is increasing. So we'll take a reading of 1000 RPM here in this position. It is 1006 RPM. So in this position with this frequency, there is a, you can see there is a speed of 1006 RPM, and at the same time you can see the current here 1.0. This is the 1.0, and it is 0.95. It is like this 0.95, and voltage it is around 420. This voltage it is around 420. So if we are going again increasing the frequency, so we'll get another reading. We'll get another reading. So with this we are this frequency, with this frequency we are digital meter is showing 1106 RPM, and here the current is some more increasing, and it is almost near to 1, and it is 0.98 or going to 1 amps. Here the voltage is same for around 420 volt, and speed is 1105, and frequency is 36.9 Hz. Again we'll increase some more frequency, we'll take the reading. So slowly we'll increasing the speed, and motor also responding. Motor also responding with this speed. This is 1200. It is exactly 1200. With this frequency 40 Hz, it is showing 1200. Current also near to 1. It is parallax error is there, parallax error, and it is 1 amps now. Voltage some more, it is 422, and speed is 1200 or 1200 amp. So you can note this 3 reading. After that we'll go for another one. Again we are increasing the frequency. Some more we are increasing the speed. This meter is showing. So with this variable frequency drive, with this if we are going to near 50 Hz, so this motor can achieve the rated speed. Whatever rated speed less than synchronous speed, this motor will achieve with the 50 Hz frequency. So we'll go near the rated speed. Here it is another reading 43.8 Hz. It is showing 1330 RPM, and this current is 1 amps. All this no load current. It is no load current is showing 1 amps. Now here also 422 or something, 422 volt this voltmeter is showing. Last reading we will take, if we are increasing this one near to supply frequency, it will achieve the rated speed of the system. You can see motor also, it is increasing and going to achieve the rated speed. That's all. Now with this 47.5 or 46.8, 47 is varying. So 47 frequency, it is showing the 1407. If you are increasing some more, so it will achieve the rated speed of induction motor. So this 5 reading, with this 5 reading we can see the characteristics of the squirrel cage induction motor at variable frequency control.